Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets for the Mont Saint Michel Abbey online. This is a very simple thing to do, and if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of this video. Once you go ahead and open up that link, it's going to take you to the official ticket platform right here from where we can get started. So you're going to click the check availability option. This is going to enable you to take a look at all the available dates for your tickets. So select whichever date you prefer, let's say the 14th right here, and then it's going to enable us to select what kind of ticket we want. Let's say one entrance ticket. You can go ahead and upgrade your experience right here if you're interested. If not, just go to the next page. You're going to see more options for upgrading your experience. If you're not interested in them, just click no thanks and go to the personal details page. On the personal details page is where we can get started with filling out all our info. So you need to fill out your info such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, and so on. Make sure to fill it out correctly, after which we can go to the payment page. So once you click the next button, it's going to go ahead and open up this payment method menu where we can go and select which payment method we prefer. Let's say Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Let's say we want to use debit and credit card. So you're going to go ahead and open it up, and it's going to open up this new menu from where you can get started filling out your info. Once you fill out your info, click the pay button, make the purchase successfully, and once you have purchased the tickets, they're going to arrive on your email address that you have used for signing up for your account on this platform and that you have provided in the personal details. So go into the description of this video, find the link, open it up, and get started getting your tickets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.